love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Oh, and look at this one. Look at this.
You made it a 4th of July slime.
Don't play with me. I'll throw some pink in there.
Christmas.
Oh, look at. That is not Christmas.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
I'm going to run it back. Just run it back. Okay.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to be doing the slime challenge with my stepmom.
Yes.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to have like, however many, I don't know how many rounds this is on here.
I think it's like 8.
Yeah, probably like 8.
It's like 10.
10.
Well, 5 apiece.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. And if you want to see
Right.
more of her and more vlogs,
You already know. Comment
and
down
you
below.
are if you want to see more of my mom, you know, I got you. So thank you, and let's get into the video. Okay, so we're gonna tell you everything that we have on the board.
Okay.
Okay, so we have, come on, like turn around, like can you see it? Like, you can see it. Okay, so we have mermaid skin,
We got glow in the dark. Eyeballs.
eyeballs,
Shaving cream. Glitter.
glitter,
White glue.
Nick glue,
Foam beads.
beads.
And color changing glue.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, so we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors
You're
to
welcome.
see who goes first. Okay, so we're gonna move the thing over here and then we'll get it back.
I'm gonna beat you.
Hang on, rock,
How we doing? You go on rock, paper, scissors or rock, paper, scissors, shoot?
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright, okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, dude.
I got her.
It's not best out of 3?
No. Listen, you know how I get her? It's because I knew she was gonna do rock, paper, and then this, and then this, and then that.
No.
So you had to figure out in your mind what you do.
Okay, I hear you.
So let's do the wheel. That was such a weak spin, but you know. Beads!
So she got the pink beads. Ooh. Yours gonna be pretty, I feel it.
Like, Hayden, did you not watch the other video last time? Like, you like that? It's so pretty. Do you not see that? I'm obsessing over these. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. Like, I think I'm gonna get like a Nickelodeon like type of mermaid slime. So let's see what she gets.
Oh, you know, I'm finna spin this wheel.
I wonder what she gets. Let me see.
What I got?
White glue. And her
White glue. So basic, man. I wanted something spectacular like eyeballs.
No, I don't care about eyeballs in my slime.
How much I put?
Like not a lot, like right. So just
just keep pouring.
I keep pouring until I tell you.
Like, don't stop. Just keep going.
Okay, that should be enough.
Yes.
A little
Okay.
bit more.
No, because it's more glue.
Yeah.
So we might get there first. Whose turn? Yours?
Yeah, my turn. I'm finna spin this wheel so I can get me some glue. You know. Mermaid skin!
You getting all the good stuff. Look at you.
Ooh, look at my mermaid skin.
This girl.
So
I
what
should get all
color?
the good stuff.
What color should I get? Look at many colors.
Oh, that's pretty.
I don't know. I'm getting
Let me see. You should get like a little bit of each or something.
I'm gonna get these two.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, that's good. Look at her. She gonna have the bonedigitydome.com.
And she guys playing with my glue slime. I guarantee she's gonna get eyeballs. Watch.
I'm gonna get eyeballs.
And then you're gonna be like, oh dang, I'm missing like a
Then it's gonna look like a ghost with eyes.
I know. It's just
Look at you. Look at your stuff. It's so pretty.
That's pretty.
I'm jelly.
If you want to do a part 2 of this slime challenge,
You already know.
yeah.
It's like, it look like glass shatters, but it's
But
like
it's
plastic.
pretty though. I
And then
know.
the pink was like pink glass shatters.
Look at it.
Let's check it all up and stuff. Oh my goodness. Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. It's my turn. I'm gonna spin it this way. How about that? Nobody ever does that. I'm gonna spin it this way.
You got nothing.
Oh my goodness. Still nothing?
I would do it like really slow so I could get something.
I got some that time.
Glitter.
Glitter? Yeah! Get some glitter. Sparkle it up, you know?
Oh well, cause like I don't even want these like here.
Oh my goodness.
Cause look at mine. Like mine is looking
Look at
like.
her glitters. I get so many to choose from. She only had like 3 or 4 to choose from.
No, I actually did.
Yeah, like 3 or... But I got like 20. Look at this.
But look at mine, it looks more better. Like.
Okay, I'll let you be great.
Stop playing. Like it looks pretty.
I get to choose my colors. I get to choose my colors. Yeah.
So what we have I'm gonna like just use it.
Ooh yeah. Look at it. Ooh.
No, I don't care. Cause like that even look cute. Like
Listen.
mine looks bomb. Like it was like pretty with glitter, but you know it's okay. I'm not jealous.
Care. You don't really care.
Like there's no bad glues. Like I'm not even in that. Like I hope I get some glues this time because like.
Ooh, and look at this one. Ooh. Look at this.
You're making a 4th of July slime.
Don't play with me. I'll throw some pink in there.
Christmas.
Oh, look at that is not Christmas. That is not Christmas. Hold on, I got so many to choose from. I'm only gonna choose a couple more. I'm gonna make this snappy. But this is gonna be oh, some hearts. You jelly, you jelly.
I'm not jealous. That is white glue. Period. White glue, but like.
But I can get some change the color glue, and I can get the other
Me
stuff
too. Me too.
Let me see.
Look at all that. That's gorgeous. Let me show you all my slime.
See, she jelly right now, y'all.
I'm not jealous.
She wanted this glitter.
I mean, I did, but like, I'm not jealous.
5 minutes ago, she didn't want it.
I can't. I really admit that I really did.
I know you did. Anytime you say you don't care, they care.
But you know, mine still, look at that.
Look at mine. It's so pretty. Look at this, okay?
Mine is looking fine. I need some shaving cream. I want shaving cream.
Ooh, look at that. I got like 3 shades of pink. I'm fine.
Okay, are you done yet?
One more. After this one more.
Oh, after that one more.
Yes, this last one, this gold hearts that you couldn't choose. Yes. Yes. Now I'm done.
I'm not jealous. We're gonna get this rolling. I got nothing, so I'm gonna spin it this way like we did. Shaving cream! I'm only gonna add a little bit because like I didn't really want shaving cream.
Listen, she got shaving cream, guys.
But like, look how fluffy that's gonna make my slime.
Oh, that's just like making it fluffy?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought you needed that as an ingredient.
Like, yeah, I do need it as an ingredient.
So mine ain't gonna be slimy because it's not.
No, this is like not an have to ingredient, but this is an ingredient. I got hair in my slime.
It's either an ingredient or it's not an ingredient.
Like it is, you can add it to slime, but it still is, like if you don't, it still works. Look.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot I had a spoon. I could be mixing mine.
There is nothing.
Is it my turn?
Yeah, it's your turn.
All right, let's go. All right, we're gonna turn it this way.
I actually didn't want shaving cream. I was
Ready?
just, yeah.
All right, let's see.
Let's see.
You gotta tell me if I get something.
Okay. I need glue right now. Color changing glue.
Told y'all.
No, like mine's gonna be prettier, so I don't understand what you're talking
I
about.
told y'all I was gonna get the glue. The changing color.
There is, wait.
Oh no, this is the glow in the dark glue.
You got the. That's pretty, but like it won't look pretty in my slime, so I don't need it.
I got all this glue, but when am I gonna get some activator?
At the end, we're gonna add activator.
Oh,
No, take it off the.
I knew that. I was just testing
No,
you.
no, she wasn't. No, she wasn't.
I was just
She knows.
testing you, girl. I was seeing if you was on your A game and knew when I was gonna do that. I need all of that.
I mean, you can add a little bit. You can add a little bit. Okay,
A
that's-
little bit of the whole bottle. That's it. Alright, that's enough?
Yeah.
You sure? You for sure?
Yes, that's
Alright,
enough.
let's
So mad. I'm mad. I can't believe I just said that on camera.
You bad! You big bad!
I need glue. Glow in the dark glue.
Oh.
Damn. Ooh. Did that
Hell!
and then everything goes flying. Can I have some glow in the dark glue?
She got the glow in the dark
Can you erase my answer, please? Because I erased yours like 6 times.
I guess 6 times only 5 turns. Come on now, stop being extra.
We have 2 more to go.
3 more. 3 more. No, well, really 2 more because after my turn, there's 2 more.
Yeah, so I think.
I'm so jealous. I really wanted to glow in the dark.
So I think
didn't
we're
care
gonna
about
add one more
changing color.
ingredient because because if there's gonna be one left, then me and Dee need to spin for each other.
Ooh, yeah, you can spin for me and I spin for
Yeah.
you. That'd be nice. See, look at you thinking.
And the slime. Look, y'all, my slime is coming.
I know yours gonna be pretty. Yours gonna be super pretty. Mine gonna be pretty too. Who am I knocking? Let's go.
Look, that's activating it.
Nice job. Put it. Okay, wait a minute. I'm jelly a little bit too, but it's okay. Mine's gonna be better.
Nick glue.
Hey, Nick.
No, you got my favorite chocolate glue.
What
So
kind of glue?
I think at the end we'll do like a little switcher up around where we pick each other's ingredient to use.
Yeah, the
Because we only
last one.
have we'll like pick each other's
It's
ingredient.
foam beads or eyeballs.
Yeah. So D better if D doesn't oh, we need the new one. Look at this glue. Okay,
I
so
needed
if
the glue.
D picks that one for me, then like we're gonna if she literally like picks that for me, then you know what, I'm gonna do her good. But like if she doesn't, then
So you saying you want to can I spit it out? But
there's foam beads or eyeballs?
mine is the glow in the dark.
Foam beads! So I'm gonna like pick like some. Oh, do you like yours? Oh.
Ooh, I got foam beads in hers.
And you get eyeballs.
No, oh, I automatically
Yeah.
get eyeballs.
Here, she gets some eyeballs.
I'll get some baby eyeballs.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, this is slick, nice.
Eyeballs, really.
Okay.
Nice.
Cause when you do me good right now, you finna give me the glow in the dark glue.
And you know what you're gonna give me? And you know what you're gonna give me?
What?
That Nickelodeon slime glue.
Okay.
Okay, so it's the end of the round now.
Let's
And we're
remove
gonna
this out.
remove this all the way. And we get a peek. Yeah, that hands for each other. Look at that. It looks so pretty, doesn't it? Look.
That's really pretty. Mine's gonna be pretty though too. Look at it. It's really pretty.
You know, I'm finna
Did you even leave me any?
Oh my god, I added so
Oh, there
much.
it comes.
I added so much. You see how much I added? I added so much. Look at mine, Dee.
I did so well. I left you the whole bottle and you leave me 3 inches of a centimeter.
Look at this.
That's pretty, isn't it?
I want to see what yours looks like in this done. Mine looks cute, and I did have foam balls, so I could add more. I could add
Oh, there it goes. All right, that's enough. No. Look, cheating.
Yours look pretty, Dee. Look at mine's. Mine is like gloopy, like it's like because I added shaving cream. Mine looks like I'm obsessed. See how pretty it is and how cute it is. You don't notice me looking at you. You gotta do that all over again. Look, y'all. Okay, we're gonna activate it now. Okay, can you add the activator?
Okay, the activator. Activator unite.
Oh my god!
Ah,
Wow.
that's too much.
No, that's not too much.
Like this is enough.
Yeah, that's not.
Okay. All right, let's get it.
D, why'd you add that whole?
Give me some shaving cream.
No.
Give me some shaving cream.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this finger. It's turning. What's wrong?
I just added.
Bukus?
I just added a lot of it. It's gonna be overactivated. Let me add some more glue. It doesn't be overactivated because,
We added our own rules to this game. People on YouTube do it differently. We added our own rules. It's just gonna be a competition. We're gonna see who's on with the best. So guys, if you like this video, comment down below and we'll do a part 2. Just trying to make the best slime possible.
Yeah. Look at mine.
That's pretty.
I'm getting my
Do I need
slime.
some more activator or something? Because it
Yeah.
doesn't seem like, what does that mean? I need some more of this?
Yeah. If you get some. Can you pour some in mine, but not a lot, please? No!
Oh, dang it.
D!
Pour some in mine.
Pour some in yours, hurry.
Hurry, hurry.
Please.
Alright.
Okay. Oh my god, I can't believe you just did
I
that.
can't believe I just did that. I was picking it up and it just turned
Oh
over.
my god. Okay, can you add some more of that glue? Get that glue over there, hurry. Before it overactivates.
It's not gonna overactivate, girls.
That's gonna overactivate.
It's gonna be just enough.
No.
Give me some more.
So, we had a fail. Well, it's not a fail, but like D added so much to mine.
It was an accident, guys.
So, do you see this?
So now I gotta start using my hands. Or
Yeah.
can I use the spoon the whole time?
You have to add your hands. That's what, look at mine though. This is a workout, like my hands hurt. Oh god. We're back. We had a little technical difficulties with her slime. It had, you know, what's the thing called? It had evaporated, I guess. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna, like, you know, play with our slimes and show you our slime something. And also, then we're gonna switch slimes and rate each other's slimes, like by texture, by color, by stickiness, like, yeah, the 3. We're gonna do them by 4 things.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna see if I can actually make a bubble or slime, so let's switch. Please do not get your slime. Your slime is so good, I love it. Like, it's,
Yours is good. I like Michaela's. It feels so good.
okay, so first we're gonna rate it on texture. I love her texture of her slime. It's just like, it's cloudy. It doesn't have much bubbles in it. It's just like, do you not see this? It's cute.
Now you said the first one was what?
The first one is texture.
Texture. Look at this. I love it.
The texture is good. What about your texture?
Mine is, it's good. I like the beads in it. It makes it feel like, I don't know, bumpy.
So rate my texture.
You gotta rate mine first.
Oh, so I give it like a.
Put your deuce up.
I give it a 3. So,
A 3? You give me a 3? Okay, I'll take that 3.
okay, now what do you rate my texture?
I actually rate your texture as it's actually a good solid 8.7. No, I'm not gonna shade you like that because you shaded me really bad. I'm gonna go ahead and give you the 9 that I was gonna give you. It's a 9. I love yours.
Are you obsessed?
Yeah. Oops. Drop some beads. Got them back.
They look. Patty cake. I can see how I can. Okay, so the next one, watch. So grab your slime, put it down on the table, do this, and that. Ooh, you see that, guys?
Oh my goodness. It's not doing very well.
Okay, I'm gonna teach you.
Oh, y'all missed it! Oh my god, it was under the reeds. Dang it. So hold on.
That's not the biggest one I've ever made, but you know.
Look at that, girls! I'm a natural now.
Watch, ready?
Well, go ahead. We're getting all off topic.
I can't do that one. That was the hardest one.
No, I can't.
Try it. She has to try, y'all. I mean, it's like part of life, trying. Try.
I like how you just try to do that there. It's a part of life. You gotta try. Try.
If you don't try, then he wants to see.
Oh my goodness, man. Today's been a slimy day. Get it, slimy day?
I know, that's so corny.
I know, it didn't make sense. I just get it.
It didn't make sense, but it made like sense, you know?
Yeah, I get it.
I thought my nail broke. No.
Yeah! I don't like those.
Did you see her make it though?
I'm a natural, yo. Alright, let's watch. I'm a natural. Oh my god.
Ding, they trying to fall. Okay, try to do that, okay? Oh my god. We're gonna tangle it up together.
Look at that bubble, y'all! I'm a natural.
Okay, so the next rating is, we did texture, color. I'm obsessed with her color.
I love your color too. What you rate my color?
I rate your color about like a 6.8.
What's some of the harsh ratings?
No.
I give you a 10.
You really would? Okay,
I
I give you a 9.5.
That hurts that you being so cruel. You like that one bad judge that gives you all the bad ratings, and I'm the nice one that just tries to carry you through.
Okay, so then the base, now the next one is
Stickiness, you said.
stickiness.
Okay, guys. Michaela's being really harsh with the ratings, so obviously she's gonna be the winner, but okay. Anyways, next thing is stickiness. I'm giving hers a good. With stickiness, it's like I give her a 7, solid 7. It sticks a little bit, but not really too much, you know. As long as you're moving your hand really good and stuff, it's not really sticking. What you giving me on stickiness?
You have any foam beads at your table?
All off topic. What do you give my slime when it comes to stickiness?
Okay. I give it like a 3. No, I give it like a 5.
Next case.
All of like just the slime, just period, the slime. Like
Hey,
this.
what's the next one?
Like just the slime, like how does it like, yeah. I don't want my slime back.
Overall, you have to rate the slime.
Overall?
And I guess YouTube, you guys are gonna tell us whose you like better. This is hers though. Hers is pretty good.
Mine's do popping bubbles. This is hers.
Yeah.
Hers just go with squirrels. Like, I love it. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Let's switch our slimes back before because she's gonna take it. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what was so whose slime is the best? Mine's.
Or mine.
I actually like her slime. So.
Catch you guys in the next video.
Bye.